Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to put stripes on your Mustang. First, ensure your car's surface is impeccably clean. Wash it thoroughly with automotive soap and water, then degrease the specific areas where the stripes will be applied. This crucial step guarantees optimal adhesion and a professional finish. Gather your tools: masking tape, a soft squeegee, a measuring tape, and a spray bottle with a soap and water solution. A clean, well-lit, and dust-free workspace is also essential for a smooth application process. Next, precise measurement is key for perfectly aligned stripes. Use a measuring tape to find and mark the exact center line of your Mustang's hood, roof, and trunk. Then, apply masking tape to create a clear guide for your stripes. For instance, if your stripes are 10 inches wide, you might place tape 5 inches from the center on each side. Ensure these tape lines are perfectly straight and symmetrical across all sections of the car. Double-check all your measurements carefully before moving on. Now for the application itself. Lightly spray both the car's surface and the adhesive side of your stripe with a solution of water and a few drops of dish soap. This allows for minor adjustments. Carefully position the stripe, aligning it precisely with your masking tape guides. Using a soft squeegee, firmly work from the center outwards to remove all air bubbles and excess solution. Once smooth, slowly peel back the transfer tape at a 45-degree angle, ensuring the stripe adheres perfectly. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Carefully inspect your newly applied stripes for any small air bubbles or lifted edges. You can often gently press out tiny bubbles with your finger or a soft cloth. Ensure all edges are firmly adhered to the car's surface. Allow the stripes to cure completely for at least 24 to 48 hours before exposing them to harsh weather or washing. For the first few days, avoid high-pressure washes to ensure maximum longevity and a flawless finish.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.